All right, friends, for science today, we are going to talk about solids, liquids, and gases. Okay, so I have a story I'm going to read with you, and then Mrs. Stavros put the great idea of making root beer floats or any kind of floats you can make at your house if you have grape pop or soda pop, and you can mix it with ice cream and explore the gas that soda makes when you pour it, all those bubbles. You can explore the liquid that would be the soda, and you can explore the solids that would be an ice cube or and ice cream. All right, so here we go. We're going to enjoy a little story here. And we're reading to learn. Remember, sometimes we read stories to listen to a story, and sometimes we read books so that we can learn something new. So, this story is called Many Kinds of Matter. Look at solids, liquids, and gases. Matter is everywhere. Matter is anything that has mass and volume. Mass is the amount of material in an object. Volume is the amount of space an object takes up. Trees, lakes, and people are matter. There are three kinds of matter: solids, liquids, and gases. Say it with me: solids, liquids, and gases. Solids could be like books, rocks, toys. They keep their own shape and you can hold on to them in your hand, like marbles. Solids are not easy to compress. They don't squeeze into something new. They just hold their own shape. Okay? And solids, they don't flow. They just stay where they are. Liquids are like oil and syrup and water and milk. Liquids, they don't hold their own shape. So when you pour liquids, they just go everywhere unless you're pouring them into like a swimming pool, then it stays into that shape of the rectangle or square. Liquids are not easy to compress, meaning that you couldn't fit the milk into a jug, so all of this milk couldn't fit into this little container. That would be too small. And liquids flow just like syrup does on your pancakes. Gases are like air, steam in your breath. Take a big breath in, blow it out. You just breathed in gases and breathed out gases. Doesn't hold its own shape. Gases take the shape of their container. So look around you in your room. Do you see all the gases that are in your room? Oh, we can't quite see them, but we know that they're there and they're in the shape of your room. Some gases you can see, like the bubbles that you would see in bubble water or soda. It says carbon dioxide is inside cans. So when you open a can and you see all those bubbles, that's gases. How about if you blow bubbles outside? Have you ever done that? I have. That's also gases. All right, friends. So we are going to try our experiment today. If you have stuff to try making some sort of float, you can. Maybe you have grape soda or orange soda or root beer, and you can pour it into the solids, like even just an ice cube if you don't have ice cream. And notice what happens, that you get all of those bubbles. That's the gas. So when it steams up. Whoosh. All right, see what kind of experiment you can create today with solids, liquids, and gases.